It's Jan from Velomobile World. This is our new Velomobile. It's a glass fiber Bülk for more. So it's a Bülk with open wheel wells, a front frame from aluminium, a rear frame from aluminium, a simplified seat support. This bike is not painted anymore, but with wrapping. So this is foley instead of paint. You cannot order too much options, they're just not available. Here behind me I have 001. I've been driving this already a while. And it's, maybe you see some things here. We are working on the workshop. It's Saturday morning. I've been driving around lately with it, already this week. If you are on the straight, it goes pretty much the same speed as a normal Bülk, but if you're gonna accelerate, you feel that it's a little bit more elastic, and when you climb it's a little bit more elastic. But this bike, the philosophy is you pay 60% and you get like 90%, and that's for sure the case if you live in the flat. If you cycled already for many years a Velomobile, I would stick with the existing models, but if you are a starter, then this is a really great Velomobile. We made some pictures with a blue and a white Bülk, but unfortunately we did not put the wheel covers on it. So you see some pictures, and that will come after this video. Next week we show you something more about the Bülk for more and the prices. See you soon. Bye bye.
Please don't go yet. My dad, as you could see, was very tired. I forgot to tell you something very important. Ooh, go away. We built a landing page with lots of information about the Bülk for more. The link is in my notes, they know. Oh. And we will update it from time to time when we have more information about the Bülk for more. So, stay tuned. Bye.